Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'll show you how to download ChatGPT. So go for your Google browser and search for ChatGPT. Then when you are in this page, click on this three dot option here. Now go for add to home screen. Now you can rename it from here. Otherwise, you can just go for this name. I will go for this name, which is ChatGPT, and go for add. Okay, add automatically. So now you can see the ChatGPT is here. Now you can uh, use it from here directly. You can see. So yeah, this is how you can download ChatGPT. If you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.